everyone, and welcome to MarineMax Rogers. My name is Max Kavanaugh, and today I have the pleasure of showing you this beautiful Sea Ray. It's a 2023 Sea Ray SLX 310, and we're starting off on the exterior like we do on all of our boats. And looking up towards the bow, you'll see that beautiful stainless steel windlass anchor. You do have cleats as well that go around the entire outside of the boat. Makes it easy for docking situations and tying up. This exterior is this beautiful black with a white hull bottom. I would say it's a timeless color. It's a timeless color scheme on this Sea Ray 310. Looking up towards the tower as we get to the midship here, you have accent lighting that'll point out when we're inside. And you do have, as we work our way back, an extended sure shade that'll actually come aft and give you a lot more shade in the back here when it's super sunny. So it's a nice feature to have. As we make our way to the back here, you have a nice big swim platform with great sea deck, and that goes throughout the entire boat. You will have two Fusion audio speakers back here as well to give you a lot more sound when you're anchored and just hanging out back here. You have an automated swim platform, and then you also will have your DRS, which is your dynamic riding surface, which are just trim tabs that are automated. So when that is on auto, those will auto trim this boat so that it rides level as you're driving. So it's a cool feature to have. Makes it a lot easier for the captain. Over on this side here, I want to point out this ladder. So it does have the swim platform that comes down, and it also has the pop-out ladder. Another way to get up into the boat or get into the water if you need to. A few stainless steel grab handles too, which is nice. Other than that, that is the exterior of this 310. Let's go take a peek at the interior. Hello everyone, welcome. We're inside this beautiful 310 SLX, and I want to start off on the back here, point out this beautiful sun lounger here with so much space just to sit and relax and enjoy the sun, enjoy your day on the water. You have this nice big beautiful backrest here. Nice stitching throughout with the embroidered Sea Ray logo here. It just looks really well done, and it is really well done. I'll point out too, so there's this nice walkway into the cockpit of this 310. Starboard side walkway. There's storage actually in some of these compartments that are in the floor. And as we walk in, I'll point out a few things. One, you have a transom washdown station here, so a freshwater washdown station. Maybe you come up from the actual lake itself, you come in the boat, your feet are dirty, you can wash your feet off with a little pop-out washdown station here, which is nice. Keep your boat a little bit cleaner. You do have a nice little boarding step here too. I know there are some slips and some dock situations where you might need that. So that is nicely integrated in this boat. As we walk into the cockpit, you'll notice so much space in this 310. It's really well done. Again, the details that Sea Ray has done is also phenomenal. One thing I'll point out, detail-wise, you look at these stainless steel railings here. Portions of it is actually vinyl wrapped, which is nice because on a very, very hot day, stainless steel can get really hot and it can definitely burn you. It doesn't feel great. So you'll notice throughout this 310, vinyl wrapped stainless steel bars here, grab handles, which is really nice. I think it's a cool feature that you don't see on many boats, but Sea Ray does it. You have three cup holders up there, and then you have this nice big, again, seating area that you'll see seating behind the captain's chair as well. And I'll move over to a galley, not a very big galley, I'll call it one, but you have a nice little countertop space. You can throw some hors d'oeuvres up here, maybe some drinks or some food. You have a sink right here as well. Lifting this up, you have an electric grill here, which is optioned on this 310. And below the electric grill, you have a refrigerator. So this one is also optioned out with your refrigerator. Okay, let's work our way up here a little bit, talk about the actual tower itself. You'll see there's integrated speakers on each side that do actually light up, and that can change colors too. That's all integrated with the Simrad, and I'll get to that in a second. But up top here, you do have this sunshade, as I would call it. It opens up and you can let in all of that natural sun on a nice day just to really take in that beautiful day when you're on the water. Again, a cool feature to have on this. It is an option. You can get it. That's where it's just a hard top, but we like this. A lot of people like this because it gives them more of that element of the sun on a nice day. All right, we're moving over to the port side here where the co-captain's chair is. That's double wide, has a flip up and flip down bolster, which is really nice. Gives more visibility or more options to your passenger. You have a nice stereo over here, giving you lots more sound over here, which is a common theme throughout this entire boat, with speakers on the hardtop, speakers in the back, speakers in the cockpit, up in the bow. Your audio experience is going to be, it's going to be excellent. You're going to love it. Now, looking at the port side and where the head actually is, first I'll point out this beautiful glove box here that's recessed. Gives the captain a little bit better visibility through the windshield. Up top here, you have a nice little tray, little cup holder here. And as I open up the head, you'll notice how beautiful that it looks. It has the head interior upgrade, it has a vacuum flush head in there, and it looks phenomenal. They did a great job. The usability of it is great. A couple steps down, and you're right there at your head. It does have a light switch right here you can flick on and off, just like so. Close that up. So that is the port side and the passenger side of this boat. Let's go take a peek here at the helm. Now the helm seat is identical to the passenger seat here. Again, it does have the flip up, flip down bolster. Has this nice like diamond stitching in here with the Sea Ray embroidered logo, which is, it looks really good. And actually when I sit at the helm, it's extremely comfortable. I have a nice steering wheel that does tilt, so I can kind of customize that steering wheel where I want it to be. Over on the right side here, everything is positioned very perfectly. I have my joystick piloting system, also known as Axios joystick, which is used when you're docking. So in tight docking situations, you can use this joystick right here just to make it that much easier to control the boat and put it in the spot that you need to. Right here, you'll notice the beautiful throttles here. So this boat is actually optioned with the Mercruiser 4.5 liter, 250 horsepower. Now they're twins, so there's 500 horsepower that this boat currently has, and it's plenty of power to have some fun on the water for sure. It does also have the DRS system with Lenco, which is your dynamic running surface, which are just automatic trim tabs. So when you're driving, it will automatically level itself out. At the helm as well, you have your flush mounted Fusion audio system here, the head unit to control your Bluetooth, listen to the AM, listen to FM if you would like, but mostly people use it for Bluetooth. You have your physical buttons here at the helm, nicely located, easy to get to. And then looking up at your SIMRADs, you have dual 12-inch SIMRADs. This is where I would say a lot of the meat and potatoes are at the helm, where you will control a lot of your lights. You'll see your engine information. You can have your navigation system on this screen as well. Have your chart pulled up. You can see the lake depth. You can see a whole bunch of stuff on these screens. Again, you can change colors of your lighting in the boat, from blue to green to purple to red to anything that you want. It's really well done. Everything is nicely integrated into these SIMRADs for the captain to use, or even if you have a passenger sitting with you, they can easily access things here too, which is cool. So kind of give them the experience that the captain is having, which is cool. Now you'll see lots of cup holders again throughout this boat. There's two more here. As you work up into the bow, you'll notice so much space in this 310. It's deep, it feels safe if you have young kids. There's armrests that flip down. You'll also notice again the Sea Ray embroidered logos, the diamond stitching. There's 3 cup holders on each side up in the bow, again with the grab handles wrapped in vinyl. So you're not gonna get, you know, you're not gonna burn your hand on a super hot day because you're gonna touch that stainless steel. You're touching that vinyl, which is something that I like to point out to people because not many brands do that. But Sea Ray does on this 310. They do a great job. Another thing, you have an air dam that you can pop out just like so, close your windshield, and certainly stay a lot warmer and stay out there for a lot longer. Again, there's dedicated storage for this air dam here, which is nice. It's a nice job by Sea Ray. And that's, well, you know, I'll point out one more thing. As you come forward here, again, your windlass anchor is located right here. There's a hatch right here for your windlass anchor. There's also a remote control for your windlass anchor up here. So this is where you can control it, let it down. Makes it easy. It makes it easy to see what's going on, what's happening. And then also you do have your freshwater washdown station up here as well. So this can be popped out, your anchor comes up, and you can spray off your anchor from all that dirt or weeds or whatever is from the lake. So keep your anchor look nice and shiny. And yeah, just a nice feature to have in this 310. It's nicely integrated. I'm trying to think, is that everything? I think that's everything, you guys. So if you have any questions on this 310 SLX, feel free to give us a call or come stop by our MarineMax Rogers location where the boat is located. We'd be glad to help you out and assist you in any way that we can. Thank you and have a great day.